Hi guys, so welcome to this new channel. I decided after a couple of years that I was going to buy a drone. After looking around, I thought, the cheapest option for me, I've had a sort of cheap drone before. I find them very difficult to control. So the best product I think is for myself is this. It's the Mavic Mini, and I've gone for the Fly More combo. So as my first video, I am going to do an unboxing. Alright then, so we're going to get this open. Really been looking forward to this. So I've got a little screwdriver here that I'm going to use to pierce the film. Because to be fair, there's not really a good entry point. So let's unwrap this bad boy. Really excited. I've been waiting years for one of these. So, oh, there we go. First thing out, we have a case. Now it's nice and solid. I was expecting it to be a bit more sort of squidgy. Is that a word? Squidgy? So inside here we've got the drone, which I've got to say is incredibly light. I thought it'd be heavier than that. Then we've got in here, I believe, is the battery charger. So there, so you can see. So to charge 3 batteries there. Put in there. Put the drone out as well, so we can see each individual. The controller. They come wrapped as well quite tightly, so they transport very well. So yes, here's the controller. I guess these are the antenna. Yes, that's where you put your phone. And the thumbsticks are here, I believe. It feels very well built as well, I gotta say. They just screw in. There you go. Yes, very well built. So I'll put that somewhere you can see it. So put that there, put in here. Move the screwdriver, you don't need to see that. Stick in there. We have cables. From the videos I've seen of these drones, I guess these go from the controller to the phone. So there's 3 in here. We have the iPhone version there. We also have the USB-C version. That's the version that I will be using from my phone. I've got a Samsung, and we've got the traditional USB micro version there. And also we have in here another cable. Get rid of these plastic bits. I'm not going to be using those. I think the case itself is quite sturdy. USB cable, I guess that's from the drone somewhere. Yeah, I'll look at that another time. Perhaps I'll do a setup video or something later on. We also have, comes with a lot more stuff than I thought. Another USB cable, identical to the last one. And finally, there is a screwdriver. I guess that, looking at this, is to take off these propellers. So put that there. Oh no, actually there's something buried deep down inside. And that is, these are very small, so I'm not going to open them, but they look like some spare parts, or spare thumbsticks. the spare thumbsticks for the controller. So, not too bad. If I lose one, I've got spares. A little tag. There we go. In here we have, comes with quite a lot of stuff. Spare propellers, spare screws, 2 sets. This is the Fly More pack as well, mind, so that's why we get all this stuff. I will keep those in the box because the spare parts, in fact I'll put the spare thumbsticks in with those. That's it for the case itself. So I'll move that to one side. Because we also now have inside the box another box, which is empty. Just want to be sure it's empty. I believe it's empty. No, it's not. Very light indeed. I'm not going to open these. Well, yeah, I am. But they are Propeller Guards. I've seen a lot of videos showing the use of these indoors. So I'll open just the one pack. Pointless opening 2, they are identical. So these are Propeller Guards. Quite lightweight as well, so they'll have no impact on the weight of the drone. So put them to one side. We also have one final box. No, we don't. We have another 2, 3. 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. I've got to say the images. There's images on the box that kind of indicate what's in them. So I know this pack comes with 3 batteries. So I'm assuming the 3 batteries are here, and yes, they are. It comes very well packed. It's battery number 1, 2, and 3, which I'm going to keep out because I am going to immediately charge those. So we'll be discarding of this box. We don't need that. The second box has got a little plug on it. So I'm assuming, and I was correct, it's a little plug. You'll see a UK version, as I am in the UK. I won't need to keep that box either. And this has got a picture of some paperwork on. So I believe this will be paperwork. Yes, it is. In the box, quick start guide, accessories user guide, safety guidelines, do's and don'ts. It's worth pointing out as well, for this drone, I've seen on other videos, it's I don't want to pull it apart yet until I fully know what I'm doing, but it does say that the 249 grams is written on this. You don't need to register this drone. I have a registration anyway, just to be on the safe side in case they change it or something. It cost me like £9 for a year, so I'll just put a little sticker on that maybe. Or but all in all, I'd say this is quite a lot of kit for the money. It's quite good. So I will be heading off now to charge the drone, so hopefully later on this evening I'll be able to take it out for a flight. So there we go. So it looks like the batteries slot in 1, open the other one, 2, and finally 3. So as I said, I'm off now to give these a charge, and I will put up another video soon of my first flight. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll get flying very soon.